హలో సార్. సార్ హలో సార్. సార్ లాగిన్ అయ్యా నేను. అంటే నువ్వే నా ఐడిలోంచి లాగిన్ అయ్యా. నా ఐడిలోంచి లాగిన్ అయ్యాను సార్.
అవును, ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఆయనకి కో హోస్ట్ చేయడం?
ఆయన లాగిన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆయన పేరు పక్కన ఇట్లా సింబల్ ఉంటుంది సార్. ఆ సింబల్ ఆయనకి హోస్టా కో హోస్టా అని వస్తుంది సార్.
అది నేను కొట్టాలా, ఆయన కొట్టుకోవాలా?
మీరు ఇవ్వాలి సార్. మీరు ఇవ్వాలి. ఆయన వచ్చిన తర్వాత.
అదేమ్మా, ఆయన వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేను కొట్టాలి, అంతే కదా?
అంతే సార్. ఆయన వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆయన పేరు పక్కన మీరు క్లిక్ చేస్తే మేక్ ఏ హోస్ట్, మేక్ ఏ కో హోస్ట్ అని వస్తాయి ఆప్షన్స్.
అదే మ్యూట్ పక్కన
ఆయన లాగిన్ అయిన తర్వాత సార్, ఆయన లాగిన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆయన పేరు మీద కొడితే మీకు వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఇచ్చాను చూడు హోస్ట్.
ఇచ్చారు సార్, నాకు ఇచ్చారు.
నువ్వు రెచ్చిపోయింగా. హలో
సార్.
నువ్వు చూసుకో.
ఓకే సార్.
అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
నేను కూడా ఉంటాను.
సార్
నువ్వు ఆయనకి కో హోస్ట్ ఇచ్చేయి, అని చూస్తాను కొంచెంసేపు.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
ఆయనకు ఫోన్ చేసేసి.
చేశారు సార్, ఇప్పుడే చేశారు. నేను ఉంటాను సార్. లాగిన్ అయ్యాను.
స్లైడ్స్ కూడా మంచి ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాడు ఆయన.
సార్.
అది
ఓకే సార్.
Am I audible, sir? Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Sir, Mahbub sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, sir. You are very clear. Very clear.
Yes, sir. One second.
Dr. Basha, sir, you are clear. Clear.
Oh.
Yeah, audible, sir. Audible, sir. Yeah, very clear, sir.
screen sharing is happening, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Sir, screen share is not visible, sir.
Sharing is happening, ma'am.
No, sir, it's not visible, sir. Screen is not visible. Sir, now it is in process, sir.
Okay.
Visible, sir.
No, sir, again, same, sir. Previous lagane undi, sir. Sir, and now it is in process, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is clear, sir.
Yeah, sir, can I start the session, sir?
Sir, yes, sir, you can, sir.
Madam, my picture is visible over there, ma'am.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir. It's very visible, sir.
Yeah, okay, madam. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now, warm welcome to all of you. First of all, I would like to thanks Professor Dhanunjaya Sir Garu because of is giving a motivation to conduct this kind of program on behalf of Narayana Engineering College, Gudurand, Nellore. And the basic motto behind to conduct this particular session, create an awareness regarding whatever the specialization that we are having in MBA, which will fall under Business Simulation Lab in MBA second semester, and followed by the specialization in MBA second year, Business Analytics. So we would like to give a clear picture about the importance of this business analytics and the growth of the career growth in business analytics. So to give a clear idea about the career growth in business analytics, that we are going to organize this particular session on behalf of Narayana Engineering College, Gudurand, Nellore. Now, when it comes to the topic, the business analytics, now it is a trending course or a trending need, which creates lakhs of job openings in entire the world. So because of this affordability and its convenience and its accuracy. So why we are trying to use this business analytics in a sense, because of its affordability and its convenience and its accuracy in prediction. And its accuracy in prediction, because I already told you, because of its convenience in the sense, there are so many open resource softwares are available in the area of business analytics, and that's the reason why it is more convenient and it is more affordable and it is more accurate with respect to the prediction aspects, and it is more accurate with respect to the prediction aspects. So that's the reason why we are going through this particular business analytics. So most of the you know, in most of the countries and even in so in most of the countries, they're going through this business analytics because of these reasons only. Say, so am I audible, ma'am? Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Sir,
Yes, sir,
audible,
you are
sir, but
audible,
screen
sir.
is not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir,
I did
screen is
screen.
not.
Now, is it okay, ma'am? Now, is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah.
Screen is visible, sir.
First,
Yeah,
go to the first slide.
most of the countries they're going with this
Basha sir.
business analytics because of this affordability and its convenience and its accuracy in prediction, and we can spend less amount even by going through this particular software.
Dr. Basha sir, can you go to first slide?
Yes, sir. Is it okay, sir?
No, but it is showing from slide number 8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So because of that, example is good. That's the reason, yes, sir. And so because of its accuracy in prediction, we are going for this business analytics. Even from small company to a large company, that's what, a medium scale company and a large scale company and, very big large scale companies, all sorts of companies, they are preferring this business analytics because of this affordability and accuracy in prediction. So one who can able to predict in advance, actually one who can able to predict in advance, only God. But other than God, one who can able to think what will happen in future, in the sense, with the help of this analytics only. So with the help of this analytics, we can able to predict in advance what could be the expected level of sales in future, what could be the expected level of sales in future, and the things what will happen in future. So that we can able to guess around 99. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Yeah, it's okay, but small connection problem.
Now it is okay, sir. Screen visible, sir.
No, screen is not visible. Your voice is coming.
No, is it okay, sir?
Yeah. Now
Okay,
it's
sir.
okay. Yeah. Yes. Now it's okay.
So
Yeah.
that is okay, sir. So that is reason why one who can able to predict in advance what will happen in future, in the sense, only God knows. Only God knows what will happen in future. But with this predictive analytics, we can guess in advance what will happen in future. So that's the reason why most of the companies, they are going with this predictive analytics. That's what we call business analytics, even from small scale to large scale and medium scale. Almost all sorts of company that they are preferring under in their budget, whether will they go for R programming, or they go for Python programming, statistical software. On the basis of their budget, they are preferring which kind of software it is feasible for their business, for predicting things related to their business. So that is the advantage of this business analytics. And even what are the various applicable areas of this business analytics, in the sense almost all areas we can able to see, from even the prediction of the flight tickets, in advance. So what could be the expected level of sales of flight tickets in coming 6 months, in coming 1 year, that we can able to predict with the help of this predictive analytics, or with the help of this business analytics, with the help of an algorithm. That's what we call time series analysis. With the help of time series analysis, we can able to predict what will happen in future with respect to the sales of the tickets. And even we can, it's very frequently used even in medicinal sector also. Suppose the cancer patients, and even the diabetic patients, and even the AIDS patients, the longevity of the patient, how many days a particular patient can be alive, in the sense how many days this particular patient will goes for die. So when a particular patient is going to die, in the sense, is all about the concept related to the predictive analytics. And even the Flipkart.com and the Snapdeal and the Amazon.com, very frequently they will use this machine learning algorithm from the point of the delivery of goods to the thefts which will happen in the process of while delivering the goods to the customers. And even to know the opinion of customers with respect to the customer brand preferences, and customer opinion, and even customer friends opinion. So in all situations, this machine learning algorithms will be very frequently used, especially when we come across this Amazon.com. Almost in all areas of the Amazon.com, they are very frequently using this particular machine learning algorithm to estimate what is the customer satisfaction level. Here they will try to use an algorithm. That's what we call the word cloud analytics. The word cloud analytics, it is an algorithm. It will be very frequently used to estimate the customer satisfaction level. Even while they are even in pharmaceutics, when they are trying to manufacture a particular drug, when they are trying to introduce a particular drug, and it's related, the simulation of drug mixtures. So it can be used even in pharmaceutics also. And you can see lot many examples like this. Even you can see the Coca-Cola beverages. They will try to use this business analytics algorithms. How many days after manufacturing, how many days, the juice and whatever the liquid that they manufacture, it will have the same essence. Say once if we manufacture any liquid, after a few days, in a sense 4 days, 5 days, 10 days, the taste of the liquid will change. So they will use this business analytics algorithms, constantly how many days that we can able to maintain a same taste in a particular, the manufactured Coca-Cola drink. And whatnot, not only related to a particular wing with respect to the customer satisfaction, and related to the ingredients included in that particular liquid. In all situations, they will use this business analytics. And one more area of application of this business analytics we can see in banking sector. In banking sector, this business analytics, it's very frequently used to identify the fraud detections and the fraudulent transactions which will happen through banking sector. And even we can see the credit card defaulters and credit card fraudulent practices not only one particular area, this machine learning algorithms and in fact this business analytics very frequently used in banking sector also. In banking sector, there are different category of wings will be available. Suppose there are so many financial products are available. And which financial product is having maximum movement and which financial product having a less movement, and what the category of customers that they are preferring a particular category of a financial product, why they are preferring this particular financial product, and even while we are processing loans or else even for granting loans, whether a particular customer is eligible or not. So if so many customers will come into the picture, right? From morning to evening, there are n number of customers will come to the bank to get a loan, but all customers are not eligible, right? By taking a background data of that particular customer from the point of date of birth to around 150 verification points, that we can come to know that whether this particular customer is eligible to get a bank loan or not. So that is how this business analytics will be used, especially the decision tree analysis or else this random forest analysis. These two algorithms are the famous. One second, ma'am. Yeah, madam, can you able to hear me, ma'am? Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Clear
sir.
and audible, sir. Both, sir.
And
Visible
screen
and
sharing is
audible.
happening, ma'am? Screen sharing.
Yes, sir. Screen share is
Yeah.
visible, sir.
So likewise, identifying fraudulent transactions and even credit card transactions and the debit card transactions, even at ATM center, the transactions, there are so many fraudulent practices will happen. What not? It's not even related to a particular area, from the ATM transactions to credit card and debit card online transactions to, and the customer preferences to the banking products to, and the eligibility of a particular customer, the preference of a particular, the eligibility to get a particular loan, right? Even if I approach to a particular bank, I want to take a loan of 5 lakhs. Even simply what they will do is, first of all, they will take the data from the customer as per the particular algorithm, whether it is having 50 columns or 60 columns. They will take the total, the details of a particular customer, which includes CIBIL rating also, and at the end of the analysis, we will come to know that whether a particular customer is eligible or not. So this is all about the advantages of business analytics in the contemporary world. Now, okay, sir, this extent. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. So the role of business analytics, it's not restricted to a particular area. The role of business analytics, it's not restricted to a particular area. It is a very broader sense. It is a very broader area. So what basically we'll do in most of those situations, what exactly will happen in the sense, in all sorts of the situations in business analytics, basic phenomena will happen is the data collection, data processing, and the data analysis, data interpretation, and reporting. Only these phases will happen in business analytics. So because this entire business analytics will runs on the basis of data collection. You should have a data You should have a huge amount of data. That data has to be processed, and data has to be analyzed, and data has to be reported. So unless otherwise, when you're not having a sufficient data, it's not possible to perform any kind of analysis. So that's the reason why this is a data-driven concept. The business analytics, it's a purely a data-driven concept. Unless otherwise, when we are not having a sufficient data, we cannot conduct any sort of activity with the help of this particular business analytics. So what the students are the learners, what the students are the learners that they required when they want to go for business analytics, in the sense, basically they should have a knowledge over, statistics and mathematics, followed by the application knowledge with respect to a software. So it is a blunt of a few things. It is a blunt of a few things, in the sense the student should have a reasoning and the mathematical, that's what, arithmetic ability, and followed by statistical knowledge, and how to use this statistical knowledge by using a particular software. So you should be able to perform all the statistical aspects with the help of a particular software. So that's the reason why it is a blunt, it is a mixture. So even alone a software, a person cannot perform the things with related to this analytics. Even just a statistician or else a mathematician cannot perform the things related to analytics. He should have a blend of knowledge, in the sense he should be well versed in statistics, and you should have some mathematical knowledge and the arithmetic knowledge, followed by, when a particular software comes, how to use this. When a particular software comes, and how to apply this statistical knowledge and mathematical knowledge with the help of a software. So it is a blend of statistical knowledge and mathematical knowledge and a software. So these are the prerequisites for anyone, if anybody want to enter in the world of business analytics. So as we discussed, there are so many examples live to portrait over here. The optimization funnel conversion. So this optimization, this KIDM uses data analytics to predict which financial products or services a customer would appreciate, so it can be a better target customer during the sales process. With this insight, the bank increased an average revenue of 22% and reduced cost by 9%. In the sense, with the help of the database. The database, in the sense, one who comes to a bank to get a particular financial service, so automatically we will try to maintain a database. The database will tell us about what whoever approaches to a bank to get a particular financial service, they will maintain that particular database. So that database will tell us that, so financial product is acting. So why a particular financial product is acting in future, we can able to do. So in future, what we can able to do with the existing financial products. So by this company has been gained 22% of revenue, and it has been reduced its cost of performing the things, operational cost, to 9%. So that's how this is using this analytics in the contemporary world. And even we can see this behavioral analytics. Even we can able to understand the customer behavior also. What not this McDonald's and Walmart, they will try to use a particular algorithm. We call it as word analytics. Ever come across word cloud analytics? Have you ever come across the concept of word cloud analytics? Madam, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Screen sharing is happening, ma'am.
Sir, screen is shared, but not visible properly, sir. It is not properly visible.
Wow. Yes, sir, it's not visible, sir. It's not clearly.
Evening, ma'am.
Madam,
Ma'am, sir, good evening, sir. I'm the student of MBA.
Okay, okay, ma. Tell me, ma.
One issue, ma'am. One kindly request, please stop recording, ma'am.
Why?
It's take huge data, ma'am. So we'll cut off in class, ma'am. So sorry for interruption. Anything.
happening, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello.
Suresh? Suresh, you can mute your phone, ma.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
సురేష్ మీరు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండమ్మా మీ ఫోన్ ని. సార్ భాష సార్. Sir, is there any problem, sir? Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
No, ma'am. Boss
Ah,
sir,
sir.
mic not open.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Sir, now it is okay, sir. Now your voice is audible, sir.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'm getting confusion.
some network issue. Just say for a few minutes, ma, sir is joining, ma. Just stay for a few minutes, sir is joining.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma, thank you.
Hello, madam. Can you hear me, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can you please rotate those examples, madam? You just keep the screen at examples. Yes, ma'am. Next screen, ma'am. After McDonald, next screen, ma'am. Yeah, you can keep customer segmentation, madam. That's enough. Customer segmentation, madam. Walmart. Yes, madam. This is enough. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. You can stop, ma'am. Yeah, shall I start, ma'am? Shall we start, ma'am?
Sir, just wait for 1 second, sir. Madam is sharing.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That Walmart, madam. Walmart example. That's it. Yeah, you can scroll, ma'am. You can scroll to top, ma'am. Just you can scroll, ma'am. Yes, madam. Next slide, madam. That's enough. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. You can keep, madam. That's same. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am? Hello, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah, shall I go through this, sir? Yeah, okay, sir. Now, I would like to have a two-way interaction. Now, when you're trying to buy any product through online, you might have come across rating over there. After purchase of that particular product, you might have come across rating, right? 5-star rating, 4-star rating, 3-star rating, right? Have you ever seen this? I want to see the two-way communication. So when you try to buy anything from Amazon.com, you might have come across after purchase of that. So you might have come across after purchase of that particular product. Have you ever seen that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So what they will do with that data? So when suppose you have given a 1-star rating, you said that it is not worthy, bad quality, and it's not worth enough. The price of the product is high, poor quality. Like this, people will try to give a lot many reviews for every product.
Yes, sir.
What that data will be done, what the companies will do with that particular data. As and when you can see the Amazon.com, whatever the product, if you can see the rating over there. A rating and followed by comments can be seen. The product is not worth enough, poor quality, high price, bad quality. Like this, reviews can be seen. So most of the situations, this McDonald's company and the Walmart and whatnot, almost all mobile manufacturers, electronic goods, all sorts of the company, to know the pulse of the customer, to know the opinion of the customer, they will try to use a particular algorithm with the help of reviews, with the help of whatever the reviews that they have been given over there. With that, they will try to do one thing. You know what is that? Have you ever come across that particular algorithm? That is what we call it as the word cloud analytics. We call it as the word cloud analytics. In the sense, what they will try to do is, in the back end of that particular review, and all the words will store in a particular word file, throughout the world, whatever the reviews has been given to Vivo 21 mobile, whatever the reviews that has been given throughout the world, those reviews, everything will store in a particular word file. Suppose, there are nearly 5,000 pages of reviews related to the Vivo 21 mobile, right? 5,000 pages of opinion of the customers, like this kind of words only, right? And further, what they will try to do is, they will use a particular algorithm. That's what we called word cloud analytics. There is an inbuilt library can be seen. What that library will do is, entire 5,000 pages of words, in the sense nearly 1 crore words, it will be segregated into 3 different categories: positive words, negative words, and neutral words. Suppose a good, it is a positive word; bad, it is a negative word. So likewise, inbuilt there is a library. It will be categorized into 3 different categories, like good words, that's what positive words, negative words, and neutral words. And based on this, a same word which repeats more number of times, and the word will become more larger and larger. The word will become more larger and larger. Words, you Google word analytics, you will see so many the of word clouds, we can able to understand customer opinion. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Sir, is it visible? Audible, sir, audible. Sir, audible, sir. Sir.
Screen sharing is not happening, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Screen sharing is not happening. Yeah, ma'am. Josna, ma'am, or else Sumalita, ma'am. Sir, Sinu, sir.
Sir,
Yes, yes, ma'am. Shall we continue like this only, ma'am?
okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Now, what it will do is, the words will be segregated into 3 different words, and based on this, a more number of times a word repeats, and it will become size bigger and bigger, right? So, suppose in overall, if good word it's very bigger size, then we can tell that there is an opinion of the customer. He's having a positive opinion with respect to that particular product. So you just Google, right, word cloud analytics. You will see what is that particular word cloud analytics, right? So that's how this business analytics, it is having numerous advantages, not related to a single field, not restricted to one particular field. We can use this analytics in almost in all sectors. So that is reason why the business analytics, it's having a very prominent role. And when it comes to the job openings are more in analytics. So what are the things that you need to learn if you want to enter in the world of analytics, in the sense, you should be strong enough in reasoning, and followed by should have more knowledge on statistics, and the application of statistics with the help of a software. The application of statistics with the help of a software, and this can be done through a reasonable software, and open softwares also will be available, like R programming, that we no need to spend a single rupee also to download R programming, and some commercial softwares are also available. And in most of the companies, they will use this data science with the help of a Python software. So if you are a certified consultant, or else if you are certified in any data science using Python, or else data science using R programming, or else the data analysis using any other data analytics tool, then obviously you can enter in the world of business analytics, and you will be paid more. You'll be paid more as compared to even in any other fields. Even in software itself, you'll be paid more. So because of the nature of work will be in such a manner, because a strategic plan that you're trying to take, a strategic step that you're trying to take, how to accelerate the sales of the company, and how to turn the company in with respect to the profits direction. So your role is very big over there. So that's the reason why you'll be paid more. will be paid more. So we are having such kind of facility in our course curriculum, especially. So because in MBA second semester, we are having a business simulation lab, and followed by in third semester, we are having business analytics subject itself. And obviously in coming next regulations, we are trying to strengthen our analytics paper. So you'll have a bright career when you go through the course content, whatever we are providing in our Narayana group of institutions. It is a very dynamic course. It is a very trending course, and the selection of a software, it's your own choice. Whether you want to learn the things through a Python, or else you want to learn the things through R programming. So selection of a software, it's your own choice. That will start with from third semester onwards. And this extent, the concept which is related to the business analytics. So now you can share your thoughts. You can ask any doubts related to that particular specialization. Now it's a time to